Chicken. Farm chickens are classified into many types. Layers for egg production and boilers for meat. Depending on the operation, they can be raised in enclosed, automated indoor, fatty disease, or in open, free range, and pasture. Raised environment where they fora and exhibit natural behaviors. Rabbit farming or cuniculture is a highly prolific and low-cost agricultural venture.
Cattle. Cattle is a large and gentle animal. Cattle have big bodies and usually have brown, black, or white fur. They live on farms and in fields. Cattle gives us milk which people drink and use to make cheese. They eat grass and hay. Cows like to be in group and often graze together. They rest and chew their food slowly. Examples of cattle. Holstein. When you think about cattle and cows, the iconic black and white Holstein is likely to be the first to pop into your mind. As you can see from the picture, the under is very well developed, but the cow itself is very thin and bony. This is a milk breed and it puts as much energy as possible into making milk instead of meat and fat. Simmental, large, sturdy, and versatile, used for both milk and beef. Next is quail, a small bird whose meat and eggs are used for food. To feel frightened, showing fear. Quail is a small bird who easily gets frightened, so quail means to feel frightened. Quail also sound like koyal, which is also a wimpish bird and easily get frightened by other birds. Examples of quail. Some silver is white in color, but its eyes is black. Number 2. Native is found in the forest and meadow.
Swine, raising domestic pigs for food and other byproducts.
Duck. Raising duck on the farm is sustainable. Hardiness and delicious egg. There are highly emphasis forage and consume. Large. Hello everyone. I'm Ashling Rosie Bersosa, grade 7 lab. This is the reporting of Group 4 4B.